Hello, sweeties, how are you? I'm here today to talk about the shapes again, okay? But today we're gonna see some objects we can create using the shapes. Let's check. Do you remember the shapes? So let's repeat after me: rectangle, circle, triangle, square. What we have to do today is very easy. We're gonna use the shapes to create some objects. We're gonna build here a train. Let's gonna build a train. We're gonna start the train with the green rectangle. After, we're gonna use the orange rectangle with the blue triangle. And after, we're gonna use the yellow rectangle. Yes. We're gonna use two black squares to represent the window and two red circles to represent the wheels. See? So now we're gonna build a house. First, I will use the green square, and after that I will use the blue triangle, the orange squares to build the window, and the orange rectangle to make the door. Good. And after, I will use a brown triangle to build a tree and a green circle. And I will make a sun too, with the yellow circle and the yellow triangles. Let's check. Take a look. Very good. So now we're gonna build a sheep. I use a brown semicircle, an orange rectangle, and blue triangle, like this. And a red triangle too. And I will finish my sheep with three little blue circles, like this.